like what you see? If you do, stay tuned and watch the video to the end. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to make plantain with fried eggs. That is dodo with fried eggs. So these are the ingredients that I'm going to use for this yummy recipe. I have some eggs, some plantain, some sunflower oil, some olive oil, some cherry tomatoes, some Scotch bonnet, onion, salt, spring onion, then chicken stock. So these are all the ingredients that I'm going to use for this recipe. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Feel free to watch the video. If you like what you see, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and above all, also share and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you will never miss any of my videos that I'm going to upload. For my old subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by today. You can also share and give this video a thumbs up. So now let's get started. So now I'm just going to wash the plantain thoroughly before I start to slice it. You have to wash your plantain very well because sometimes it's dirty. I'm just peeling it, then I'll cut it into a circular shape. That is the kind of a shape I want. You can cut it the way you want. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to. So now I just add the sunflower oil into my pan. So I'm just going to fry the plantain. Actually, this plantain, I normally do this plantain with fried egg. When I make plantain with rice, the leftover of the plantain, this is how I always do it, because sometimes I fry a lot of plantain. After eating it with the rice, the leftover I will just use it to do plantain and egg in the next morning. So this is our plantain, is wet fried. I just set it aside. So it's time for me to fry my egg. I'll add some salt. And I'll whisk the egg very well. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. So now I'm going to use olive oil for the frying of the egg, because I like using olive oil to cook my food. I'll add my onion. I'll add some salt. not, I pour in cherry tomato, my Scotch bonnet, then I will give it a nice stir.
The birds have just begun. We will always take
I add the chicken stock.
For the people, for the land. Let's go back.
I will give it a nice stir and I will leave it to cook for a few minutes. 2 to 3 minutes is okay.
Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the lake.
So now I'm just pouring my egg all around the tomato and the onions, just all around the pan. Then I'll sprinkle my spring onion on top. And I'll cover it to cook for 1 minute. Wow, guys, so beautiful. So now I'm just going to place all the fried plantain on top of this fried egg you're seeing here. So beautiful. Look at the colors. Wow.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.
Now I will sprinkle some raw eggs on top of this fried plantain you're seeing here now.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day.
Then I'll add some spring onion.
Feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name.
I'll cover it to cook for just 2 minutes with a low heat.
Life is happy but it's so insane.
Voila!
We must merely make a
The food is ready.
Savannah.
So guys, as you can see, our food is ready. And also, I want to dedicate this recipe to some of my lovely Italian friends. They asked me to do this video, so I'm doing it for them to watch. So guys, thank you for watching. Before you leave guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share to all social medias and subscribe to my channel. Above all, hit that notification bell so that you will never miss any of my videos. I love you and I'm going to see you in my next video.
Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for